Hey y'all, good morning. So I'm doing my big one today. This has been a very aggravating experience. I am tired as hell and I cannot wait to get this over with. So let me show you what we're working with so far, and then I'm gonna go get ready for the day. This is my second time moving with movers, but this would be my first time not already having my clothes in boxes. So I'm gonna go get a roll of garbage bags, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna bag these. I literally think that that's the best way to transport these via U-Haul. So we're gonna bag them. This is my first year not boxing up stuff. I did bags, like reusable shopping bags, so that I could reuse them. These bags literally were so big and so helpful. I am just, moving like this from now on because you can reuse these. What's the point of getting the wardrobe boxes? Those boxes are so little, don't fit no clothes in it. So yeah, there we go. I cannot wait to be out of Sacramento. Like, it's just, why is the gym on Saturday not open until 7? That just don't make sense to me. People got too much to do on Saturdays for you to open the gym casually at 7. Soon as the crack of dawn, it needs to already be open. It used to be. I mean, I literally went there a couple of months ago early in the morning. Because typically, I don't really just go to the gym like in the morning time, but I'm trying to like change that. Why am I in my car driving 21 minutes to another gym location that's supposed to be open? That means all in total, I'm going to drive 40 minutes. That means half the workout could have already been done, Sacramento. This shit is bogus. This is all happening so fast. The movers came in and they is getting to it. So I don't really have like that much left in my room.
bet you're wondering, how did I end up in this situation?